Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, I will show you guys how I achieved the hairstyle you saw on the thumbnail. And if you want to know how I achieve it, just stay tuned and don't go away. If you're new in the house, you're highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up if it's helpful, and turn on your notification bell, and you are free to also comment and share the video. So guys, the material I'm going to use for this tutorial, I'm going to use lush braid, I'm going to use straight, and I'm also going to use a broomstick. In this pattern of hair, or this type of hair, you can also achieve it using straw as well. But in this video, I'll be using broomstick to achieve it. I'm doing this tutorial based on a request from one of my subscribers. So I just believe that is going to help someone. So guys, just watch it till the ending part of the video. And I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't want to die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't want to die. Can we stop this gravity? Right now guys, I will be doing the twisting pattern. I will twist two types of twisting here. I will do the normal twisting and the left twisting, and I will also coil it with a broomstick. It's just for you to make a choice, the one you prefer most. If you prefer the braided one, or you prefer the twisted one. That is why I'm making these two particular twists at the middle. So just stay tuned and still stand with me to the end. You will like the outcome, I promise you. I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't want to die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye.
showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Was it real or just pretend? Why do you want it?
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, when it hurts like this.
Now guys, I'm done with the braiding, so we'll be going into using our broomstick to create the coil. So I use this broomstick. So, and I tried, first of all, I decided to use a rubber band in case if it's the one that you prefer or will be easier for you. But finding out that using that rubber band, it was really difficult for me because it couldn't hold it. If you're not careful, the rubber band might just pull off and your work will be in a mess. And if you're not careful enough, the coils will look different from each other. If you notice on the thumbnail or after this video, the ending part of it, you see that all of them are of the same. So when I started using the rubber band method of holding it, it became tough. Like I was almost covering you guys from seeing what I am doing. So after then, I decided to do it in a better way that it will be easier for you people. That is why I decided to try the next method, which you are going to see right now.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink.
Now we are the method. This is what I did. I break the head of the broom. I didn't break it and remove it totally. I just bend it and pass it across the thread. Then I then start rolling the braid round on it, and including the side I bended so that it won't loosen up. So after braiding it to the last part, I will just tie it. I will tie it up. That was how I achieved the rest of this hair. So guys, let me allow you guys to enjoy, because after this particular stage, the next stage is just for you to put it inside our hot water and loosen it up.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?